Hello, all my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home, all my dear students. So, in this lecture, we are going to learn what in this lecture we are going to do the revision of chapter number 12. Chapter number 10, time, and revision of chapter number 10, measurement. Only some important topic we are going to learn, and revision of essay 2 exam. What, my dear students? We are going to learn a revision of essay 2 exam, my dear students. And further we are going to learn all other chapters. So my dear students, as per regularly, I am going to start my session here. So please attention here all. And first of all, before starting our session, I am going to present here today's quote. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So note down these all important things in your book, dear all. So before starting our session, I am presenting here today's quote, and then we will move on further. So now I am going to presenting here my today's quote. What is the today's quote, my dear students? Today's quote is this: don't look back, you are not going to that way. What, my dear students? Don't look at back, don't look back, don't look back, you are not going to that way. What, my dear students? We are not going to that way. Understood? So this is today's quote, my dear students. Got my points, all of you? So one more thing, sit properly, take out your rough book, either fair book. Take out your rough book, either your fair book, and then after I am going to start, my dear students, our revision session. Got my points, all of you? So first of all, attention in this page, what we are going to learn. So essay 2 exam, my dear students, telling the time in two ways. Telling the time in two ways, my dear students. What we have to do? We have to telling the time in two ways. How many ways? Two ways. So note down this all three sentences in your book, my dear students. Do fast. I hope you all are understood what I am telling you here. And then second is telling the time. Got my points, all dear students? Note down these important things in your book, dear all. First is telling the time in how many ways? Two ways. Telling the time, match the following. And third is what? Match the pair. Third is match the pair, my dear students. And children's compulsory you have to write the today's content. So today's content is what? Telling the time in two ways. How many ways? Two ways. Then second is telling the time. And third is match the pair. Third is what? Third is match the pair. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? So now I am going to represent a further things. Question number first. The time we have to write in a two ways. How many ways, my dear students? In two ways. Got my points, all of you? Note down these important things in your book, dear all. Give the time in a two ways, means telling the time in a two way, that both instructions is correct. That both what telling the times are correct. Got my points, all of you? So now first of all, how we will going to check the times, how many o'clock and what is the time? Okay my dear students, so we are going to check the time. First of all, we are going to check where is the hour hand and where is the minute hand. So hour hand, see the hour hand is where? Hour hand is on our hand is on 9. Okay, so that's why we are going to telling a 9 o'clock. Okay, and then after we are going to telling where is a large or minute hand. So minute hand is on a 3. Minute hand is where? Minute hand is on 3. So time is what my dear students? 9:50. Time is what my dear students? 9:50. Note down the answer in your book my dear all students. Do fast. And then after we will going to write the time of other ways. Quarter to 9. Quarter to 9. What we are going to check? So note down this answer in your book my dear students. Quarter to, it is a quarter past 9. Quarter past 9 o'clock. Got my points? Quarter past 9. So note down this both time in your book my dear all students. Understood all of you? I hope you all are understood my dear students. And then after we will going to solve the second clock. So first is give the time in a two ways. Give the time in a two ways. Got my points all of you? And the first is 9:50 and the second one is what? Second one is quarter past 9. Second one is what? Quarter past 9. So note down this both time in your book my dear all students. I hope you all are understood. And then further is my dear students, then second clock. What is the time of the second clock my dear students? We are going to solve the time of the second clock. So first of all, what we are going to check? We are going to check where is the hour hand. Where is the hour hand? So hour hand is on where? Hour hand is on 3. Hour hand is on where? Hour hand is on 3. Got my points? But is not actually in 3. See properly. Hour hand is on between a 2 or 3. Got my points all of you? See, it's not in proper 3. Got my points all of you? So it's on 2 and time and minute hand is where? Minute hand is on 9. So 9 is what represent? 9 is represent at 45. So time is what? 2:45. Time is what? 2:45. So note down this time in your book, my dear all students. And then what we are going to write the time? 2:45. Note down this time and clock, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. Got my points, all of you, what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood. It is 2:45. So we are going to write the second time. 2:45. Note down these important things in your book, my dear all students. I hope you all are understood. So this here we have done what? Here we have done first telling the time in a 2 ways. Okay, only 2 questions of telling the time in a 2 ways. Got my points? So second is what? 2:45, 2:45 means 15 minutes to left, 15 minutes to 3 o'clock. Okay, dear. And then after, my dear students, we have done here a first question. What we have done here? We have done the first question telling the time in 2 ways. 2:45, 2:45. It's done here. Now we will move on further. The further question. What is the time? What is the time? So we have to telling the time in a only we have to telling a time in a single way. Got my points all? Note down these instructions in your book, dear. I hope you all are understood. And how we will going to check the time? We are going to check the time. First of all, we are going to check the overhand. Where is the overhand? Overhand is on not between 8 or 9. Sorry, it's not on a 9. Overhand is between on 8 or 9. Okay, so it's on 8 and 8:40. Okay, and after 20 minutes it will come on a 12, means 9 o'clock, means a 20 minutes to a 9 o'clock. Got my points, all of you? Note down these important things, all dear. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. And where is the minute hand? Minute hand, see, the minute hand is on where? Minute hand is on 8. So what is the represented 8? 8 is represent a 40 minutes. So time is 8:40. Time is 8:40. Note down this time, my dear students, in your book. Do fast. I hope you all are understood, dear. And then we will going to solve the second clock. So now we are going to check what is the time on this clock, on second clock. What is the time of the second clock, my dear all students? So let's check, dear all. What was the time of the second clock? So first of all, what we are going to check? We are going to check the small hand, means our hand. Okay, so our hand is what actually is? Our hand is actually on a 10. Our hand is actually on a 10, my dear students. And a minute hand is actually is on where? On a 1. And 1 is what represented? 1 is represented 5. So 10 o'clock and 5 minutes. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock and 5 minutes. Note down these all important things, my dear students, in your book. So here we have done a question number 1 and B. So you have to draw this clock, and then after you should mention a hand, our hand and minute hand, means small hand and large hand. You have to mention both hands. Got my points all? Note down these things, my dear students. Note down the time in your book. And then after, my dear students, we will going to solve a second clock. Sorry, a second clock means third clock here. Okay, first is done here, second is done. Now we will going to check the question number C. Note down the second clock number C, and we are going to check what was the time of the second clock. Got my points, all of you? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. And how we will going to check the time? So first of all, again I am going to repeat for you. First of all, we are going to check the where is the hour hand. Our hand is not actually on the 6. It's coming now on proper 6. Okay, almost is on there on 6. Okay, but it's not a 6 o'clock. And a minute hand is on where? Minute hand is on a 11. So what is the 11 is represent? 11 is represent, my dear students, a 55. So time is what? 5 o'clock and 55 minutes. Got my points all? Note down this time of this given clock. Note down the time of this given clock, my dear, in your book. Do fast. And then we will move on further, my dear all. Do fast. Understood? Got my points all? So do fast. And then I am going to present a further question all. So what is the further question? So further is D and E. Okay, D and E. What was the time of D and E clock? So we are going to check the time of the D clock. Where is the hour hand? Hour hand is not coming on 3. It's between 2 or 3. Okay, means whenever is hour hand is on a between, so is on upper side digit, means 2. 2 o'clock. And where is the minute hand? Minute hand is on 7. So what was the present? A 7 number. 7 number is going to be a present at 35 minute. What it's present? It's 35 minute. Got my points? So time is what? 2:35. 2:35. Time is 2:35. Got my points? Understood? Now further we are going to check the e-clock. So first of all, before starting the time of e-clock, you have to note down the question number and answer number D. Got my points, all of you? So now let's check what was the time of the e-clock. So time of the e-clock means we are going to check. See, we are going to check the hour hand on this clock. So where is the hour hand? Hour hand is on 2. Got my points? Hour hand is on 2, but is not actually on 2. Okay, it's coming on 2. And then minute hand. Where is the minute hand? Minute hand is on 1. Got my points? Minute hand is on 10. And what was the present at 10? 10 is present at 15 minute. So time is 1:55. Time is 1:55. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Note down this time in your book, dear all. Do fast. And then we will move on further, my dear students. Question number 3. Match the pair. Match the pair. Got my points? Note down the answer in your book, dear all. Note down the answer in your book, my dear all. Okay, first of all, you write the instructions. Guess the weight of the following and match the columns. Guess the weight of means you have to guess and weight of the following and match the columns. Got my points? So first column, you have to no need to draw this image. You have to write as like that. It's a dog. So as like that, my dear students, you have to write the dog. No need to draw this image. You have to write the dog. Okay. Then after the pencil box. So what you have to write there? Then you have to write the pencil box. Pencil box. Got my points all? And then after, here is the write a flour packet. One packet is over there, so you have to write the packing. Note down these things, my dear students, and then we are going to check. Okay, weight of this given item. So more than 1 kilogram, more than 20 kilogram, and less than 1 kilogram. So my dear students, I hope you all are understood and you have a getting the idea. Okay, you have a getting the idea. weight of this given item, pencil box. So what was the weight of the pencil box? So weight of the pencil box was less than to 1 kilogram, less than to 1 kg. So we are going to attach here. Got my points? And then after, the second one is more than 1 kilogram. Okay, so more than 1 kilogram is what? More than 1 kilogram is Patanjali packing. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. And then after is here. And then after is first dog. What was the weight of dog? Is more than 20 kilogram. So now we have put a correct option there. Got my points, all of you? Note down these important things in your book, my dear all students. I hope you all are understood. So as like that, we have to do the match the pair, match the following. Understood all? I hope you all are understood, and these things you have to write in your rough. Okay, my dear students, thank you so much all of you from watching the thank you so much, my dear students, watching this video. Thank you all of you.